Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix invalid drive when installing Epic games. So what you need to do here, you need to hit search, write cmd, right click and open as admin, right? And then you need to put a few commands here. First one that you need to put is here, it's subst, then your drive that you're getting error. So let's say it's drive D, two dots, then space C, two dots, and then this thing here, this backwards slash, or I don't know how it's called. Then hit enter. And after that, what you need to do here is to close CMD and try to reinstall Epic Games. And when Epic Games is installed, and then you just need to write subs. And then you need to, again, write the drive that you're getting error. For example, it's D. And then you need to write forward slash and then D again, right? So these will be the same, but this one, the first D, is just a drive that you're getting error, right? And then hit enter, restart your computer, and your problem should be fixed, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it.